Alright, so I've been working. There's now an easy way to choose stuff and place whatever. You can still grab stuff. I made the thing slightly transparent, so I had to add transparency to the engine. One very big change is like yellow flowers are just a variation of red flowers, so I can really easily add this variant of dungeon walls or this one or the other one. So it's easy to add stuff like that. I made the top of the dungeon walls so you can still easily put them down, I guess. Let's put those over there. So there you go, got a nice dungeon, kind of. So you can fill in that area. There you go. So see how it's easy to make a dungeon? Yes. Anyway, I did one more very big feature. You can load worlds. So this was just a dungeon that I built earlier. Pretty simple, but it shows I can save a world to a file and then load it again later. And that was very big. I'm glad I added it. I know it was quite a while since the last one, but I was kind of working during it all, sort of. I think I'll work a lot more now. Anyway, that's all. Okay, I was building out an area. I added these cliff tiles. So I have these dungeon tiles, so you can make dungeons, but that was already in the game. There's currently a very strange bug. It's very strange. Pretty much this wall doesn't seem to work all the time, and this edge doesn't work either. Pretty much any tiles on this row just don't work for some reason. And the same thing right here. Anything right here just doesn't work. But stuff right here does. I think it's a rounding error. Because stuff also right here does work, but just right here it doesn't. So I think I'll just look at it closely and see what I can do, even if it's just always, whenever you hit something, move you back just a little bit so that you're not, because what's happening is you're going inside of it, and then once you're inside the tile, it stops having collisions, so you can always get out. Like in this situation, you can still go out the bottom, but in this case, you're clipping inside because of a rounding error, and then you're just in and nothing happens. Anyway, I'll fix it. Okay, I think it's fixed. Yeah, it looks like it is. So I really just push the player out 1/1000th of a unit once they touch something. I might have to look at that solution though later. I don't really like how it works, but anyway, I think I need to add layering to this tile. I think I just forgot. That'll make it look better. Okay, I just fixed the layering. So now you're behind this wall and that wall. Pretty much you're always behind it. I actually made it so that you're in front of this part, but now it's working good. I think I'm done with this huge step. Saving and loading is actually huge. I'll need that later, but I'm good for now, I guess. On to something else.